Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Taurus. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. And today I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, Taurus. And if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So we will start with these cards here. We have Knight of Swords, King of Wands in reverse, and Moon in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, Taurus, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are someone ready for what you need to do. So, you are devoted, dedicated, and you want to do things immediately. So if you have some work or if you are doing something in your personal life, you are someone devoted to that work. You try to do things in the right way, and maybe today you are rushing towards that work without thought for some of you. So that may uh, be the beginning of something going wrong today. Maybe you need to think before you step into something important today, guys. And your rash decisions are making opportunities for mistakes or some kind of troubles in your work or maybe in your relationship. You want to do something too fast. Maybe you are rushing things up. That may be the case even in this relationship. Maybe you want certain things to happen immediately. You are not waiting, you are not giving time for that person to understand you, or you are not waiting for circumstances to um, be in a good way, be in a positive way for you, helping you out. You are not thinking of anything, but you are simply rushing into something that is going to land you in some difficulties, guys. So you must be really balanced, think clearly for yourself, and you must be what to say really confident. You are confident, but you need to be sure about what you are doing today. So that way, if you plan your actions or plan your future, you are not going to um, be in any difficult circumstances, guys. Maybe you need time to think, time to understand the way things are going. And there are certain things not clear for you. Maybe there are people who are not showing their true face. It may be your person or it may be uh, your energy towards them. Maybe you need to understand them even more, because what they are or what you see may not be the whole truth about this person. So you need to be really careful, guys, with them, because they, for some of you, they are hiding their true emotions, and it is really difficult for you to get that clear picture today. Maybe so soon things uh, need time. You need time to understand. That is what I mean. So if you want to avoid some difficulties and you have someone telling you to wait, so maybe there is a family member or a friend, they are telling you to wait for the right time, or wait till you get that understanding and clarity. So if you listen to their advice, you are going to avoid some negative circumstances, Taurus. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Page of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card, it just means that in this relationship, you are, what to say, getting some news today. For most of you, it may be a good news, but for most of you, it is not a good news, guys. Whatever this person is hiding, maybe that may come into light. So, truth is coming into light, and it is totally unbelievable, and it may be a shocking news for you today, Taurus, because what you thought of them was something else, and what you see now is something else since you know the truth. So, your actions or your plans may differ after you find out what they truly are today, guys. Taurus. So, for your career situation, Taurus, we picked one card, and it is World in reverse. So, in your work circumstances, maybe you are doing things as you need to do, maybe, but your stubbornness or circumstances itself are quite slow. Things are not uh, planning out as expected, and you need to be really patient today, guys. Maybe the way you are handling your circumstance may not be enough. You need to do things in a different way, Taurus. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. Stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love Reading, Taurus, that is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for y'all today. This is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So, with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore, and there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable. You want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want uh, a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask, and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because you want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn, holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it, what to say, with understanding. So whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you, guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.